Hello, and welcome to another weekly Gulf of Mexico ocean conditions update for the week of July 25th, 2022. What you're looking at here is an ocean color image created from Sunday, Monday imagery. A little bit of cloud cover, but generally you could see what's going on pretty well. Of note, we have a large loop current eddy, oval shaped, centered south of the Lloyd's Ridge area in the eastern Gulf of Mexico that had broken off from the loop current about a couple weeks ago. You can see the loop current way down to the south off of Cuba and down by the Florida Keys, and you can clearly see that there's water coming from the coastal areas, not so much coastal, but let's say 30 to 100 fathoms off of Tampa and wrapping all the way around the southeastern and southern side of this eddy. It's separated by about 30 to 40 miles of water from the loop current to the southeastern side of the eddy. So at this time, it looks like this eddy is going to remain detached. Going up further northward to the area southeast of the Mississippi River Delta, you can continue to see this large mass of green water coming out of the Mississippi River Delta. It's all the way down. There's an eddy south of the double nipple. There's another eddy northeast of Lloyd's Ridge. This green water extends all the way out on the Atwater Valley, all the way over towards Lloyd's Ridge on the northern side of this eddy. There is some cleaner water being helped by these two eddies coming up south of the Swanson, Madison, Johnny Walker area, southwest of Tampa, up over the Squiggles and Wings area, further northwestward towards the northern side of unexploded ordnance. Some of this water is blended blue to blue-green in color. It's coming up over, some of it's wrapping around this eddy northwest of Lloyd's Ridge. It's pushing over southeastern DeSoto Canyon up towards the spur, and then as you get over towards the elbow and the steps and closer to the delta, it really blends and becomes dirtier and blue-green. Doesn't mean there's not going to be any fish there, but these aren't your great blue water conditions that we're used to seeing over the summer. Of note this week as well, that's pretty promising because this eddy and the northwestern side of this eddy is sort of pushing up a little bit. There is nice green water out towards Green Canyon, inshore Green Canyon, southwest of Mississippi Canyon. And since the end of last week, this blue water pushed up about 20 miles closer and now is over the dump site and inshore Green Canyon. So to the south of South Pass, there is blue water getting closer than it was last week and the week before. Moving to the west, you have a nice large counterclockwise eddy here, pushing water up in towards south of Flower Gardens, in over the Auger Rig and those areas. Nice clean blue water in the central Gulf. And then all the way westward over towards Aransas, you really have some favorable conditions. You have nice blue water coming up from Mexico, coming up in towards the Texas Canyon, up towards the disused explosives dumping area. It is east of Colt 45. There is some nice, decent water over Colt 45, but you do have a relatively large counterclockwise eddy here that's pulling some of this nice cleaner blue water south of the East Breaks, Dutra Rock, Falcon's Nest, in towards Aransas Bank, Hospital Rock, and this cleaner blue water is all the way into about 30-40 fathoms in some areas. There is some nice clean water close to Aransas, Brazos Santiago Pass. Nice clean blue water out offshore to the east. Nice clean blue water out towards the dump site. You have another large counterclockwise eddy here out towards the hilltops, and pulling nice blue water in Campeche, Tequila areas, and all the way in towards good bottom areas inshore of the East Breaks. It's about 30 to 40 fathoms, but in the west there is a lot of favorable blue water conditions. To the east, doesn't look as good. Still have a lot of green water. Is getting better out south of the delta towards the dump site Green Canyon. Remains to be seen what's going to happen over the next week or two in here, southwest of Cape San Blas, over towards the Spur, DeSoto Canyon, and Steps regions. But as of right now, you have a lot of blue-green to blended blue-green water in those areas. That's about it for this week. We'll come at you again next Monday, which will be, looks like it'll be August 1st, into August already, next Monday. Congratulations to our client Art Favre on the work of art, who recently took first place in the Gulf of Mexico Triple Crown Series. Congrats to him. Good luck to all our clients fishing the tournaments in the Gulf of Mexico, Eastern and Western Gulf this weekend. You can always visit our website to order, www.roffs.com. Give us a call during business hours, 321-723-5759. And don't forget to check our social media from time to time on Facebook and Instagram. Our handle is @ROFFS Fishing. That's it for this week. We'll talk to you again next week. Thank you. Stay safe out there and good fishing.